Clarence, huwag na lang. Sige po, sige po. Wait lang. Ay, okay lang po yun. First ball, nakakuha ng Team Viper, number 29, pass to his teammate, pulls up for 3. Malakas, rebound ni Kuya, pass to his teammate. Okay lang Kuya, kaya ko ito mag-isa. Number 11, pass to his teammate, pulls up. Short, nakakuha ni Kuya, but there's a call. Foul tayo, committed by jersey number 6, pushing foul. Pushing foul, jersey number 6 from 3, 7, 6 po ba? 7. Okay po, sure. Number 7, first personal foul. Clarence. Asan ka na, Clarence? Number 11, pulls up. Sublay, nakakuha ni number 14. Number 14, outlet pass. Ang lakas. Sublay.
Number 27. Continue to shoot.
Out of bounds. Hindi mo yung kukuhaan mo. Wala kayo. Number 14. Number 14, pass to number 11 for 3, short. Nakakuha ni Kuya number 29. Number 29, number down, but there's a call. Foul. Ay, out of bounds. Stepping on the line pala. Sorry po, ref. Dito po bola. Number 14. Number 14, pass 2. Naaga ni number 11, nakuha pa rin na number 24. Number 24 drives, but there's a call. Foul committed by jersey number 17. 27. Sorry po. First personal foul, first team foul, jersey number 27. 2 shots for jersey number 24. It's a blessing daw, sabi. Second throw, pasok. Dami ng 1 points. Number 11, raise up.